Very good morning to all my dear students. Today we will do a nice lesson in GK. In this lesson you are going to know about different clothes that the people wear in different countries. Now all of you open your textbooks on page number 17. Lesson number 11, People of the World. So first of all, you will write today's date 6/2/2021 and classwork. Now here you can see people of the world. That means in this lesson we are taking a tour of different countries. What do the people of that country are called, and you can see the different dresses that they are wearing. These are their own dresses. These are the representatives of their country. मतलब ये उनकी पहचान है, identity that they belong to this country, the clothes that they wear. So यहाँ पर जितने भी कंट्रीज यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं, सब लोगों ने अपने स्पेसिफिक क्लोथ्स पहने हुए हैं, जिससे कि पता लग सकता है कि ये कौन से कंट्री का ड्रेस है और ये कौन से कंट्री के लोग हैं. यहाँ पर here you can see different types of clothes the people are wearing. Now first we'll take a look at what is written here. Given below are the pictures of people from different countries. Unscramble the jumbled letters to find out what they are called. Write them next to the countries to which they belong. Now here you can see the name of the country is already given, but the words that are given are jumbled. So you have to unscramble and write the correct name of the country. Now first one is DHTUC. It is DUTCH Dutch. KOANER. KOREAN Korean. Then MLASAIYAN. MALAYSIAN Malaysian. STCOSCOT Scot. Next is JANAESPE, JAPANESE Japanese, MEACXIN, MEXICAN Mexican, NGIRAEOWN, NORWEGIAN Norwegian. Norway is the country and the people living there are called as the Norwegian. CHINESE Chinese. So Dutch, Korean, Malaysian, Scot, Japanese, Mexican, Norwegian and Chinese. We have unscrambled the name of the countries. Now next is you have to write the name of the countries given. Here you have to write what the natives of the not what are the natives called of that country. Natives का मतलब होता है कि वहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं उनको किस नाम से जाना जाता है. For example, if we are in India, हम इंडिया में रहते हैं तो हम कैसे कहलाते हैं? Indians कहलाते हैं. The people living in Sri Lanka are called as the Sri Lankans. The people living in Pakistan are called as the Pakistanis. People living in Bangladesh are called as the Bangladeshis. अमेरिका में रहने वाले अमेरिकन्स होते हैं, यूके में रहने वाले ब्रिटिशर्स होते हैं. ऐसे जो जिस कंट्री में जो लोग रहते हैं उनको किस नाम से जाना जाता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज द नेटिव्स ऑफ दैट कंट्री. सो वी हैव टू राइट दैट. दिस इज़ योर मेक्सिको. द पीपल लिविंग इन मेक्सिको आर कॉल्ड एज मेक्सिकन. जापान, जापानीज. चाइना, चाइनीज. कोरिया, कोरियन. स्कॉटलैंड, स्कॉट. हॉलैंड, डच. नॉर्वे, Norwegian. Malaysia, Malaysians. So again, people living in Mexico are called as Mexican. People living in Japan are called as Japanese. Living in China, Chinese. People of Korea are called as Korean. People of Scotland are called as Scot. Holland, Dutch. Norway, Norwegian, and Malaysia, Malaysian. Now dear children, the same lesson first you will complete this lesson in the textbook, then the same lesson you have to write it in the notebook, as I'll show you how to write it. Here you will write today's date, classwork, lesson number and name of the lesson. Then you will write the question as unscramble the jumbled letters to find their countries. Then you will write like this, all the countries and their correct answers over here. up all the 8 countries. Now question number 2 is write the country and their natives. यहाँ पर आप कंट्री लिखेंगे, यहाँ पर हेडिंग डालेंगे कंट्री एंड दिस इज़ योर नेटिव्स, और उसके बाद यहाँ पर कंट्रीज़ का नाम लिखेंगे और हियर यू विल राइट द नेम ऑफ द नेटिव्स व्हाट दे आर कॉल्ड एज. नाउ बोथ द क्वेश्चंस यू हैव टू राइट इट इन योर नोटबुक, क्लास वर्क 1 time and homework 1 time in your notebook. Complete in textbook and then write both the questions one time classwork and 1 time homework. So dear children, we end up with today's lesson. We have done a short tour of the world. Now in the next lesson we will take a look at some of the best monuments of the world. Till then, bye bye and have a happy Sunday.